As most of you know by now, I'm going to change the art of my Arcade 1-Up cabinet to look more like a Killer Instinct arcade. I've been in contact with Arcade Graphics about preparing the art. We've run into a bit of a problem though. It turns out the high-resolution art files are not readily available online. The ones that are out there just aren't good enough to be blown up to the size I need. It's clear that someone does have the art files somewhere since eBay sellers are making reprints for the full-size cabinet. It's unlikely they'd be willing to share the files since they want to make money on them. I put out requests for the art in a couple of places online, but I thought I'd make a video just in case someone was watching and has these files and would be willing to share them with me. If you have the files, leave a comment, or you can email me in the address on the screen below. I would really appreciate the help. If I don't get the files, all hope isn't lost just yet. I could potentially use art from one of the eBay sellers, but they just may not fit perfectly. Once I get the files or work out this problem, I'm probably going to take this video down. If anybody has these, thanks in advance. I really would appreciate the help.